And then Tim Soul, out of Mustang, Oklahoma, flying the flag for the Ford guys as the fast loser. How many Ford fans we got in the house? How many Chevrolet fans we got? Oh! Now let me ask you something. Chevrolet fans, feels kind of funny cheering for Bigfoot. It's always been a Ford. Larry Swim in the Chevrolet body Bigfoot. Tim Soul in the Ford Tornado out of Mustang, Oklahoma.
That was fun. Oh my Lord.
Ready